Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see this light mechanism which will attach to the tap. So as you can see, this has some space to screw in the tap. So I'm not sure whether it will going to work with my tap or not, but I think it should work. So this is the packaging, and they are using it like MRP something. I mean, they are using a sticker, so it is not showing anything like it's like manufactured with the same rate. So I think they have imported it from somewhere, and then they are putting a mark. So I bought it for around 630 rupees, and I think it should be around 400 to 450 rupees. There are two variants of this. One is without temperature sensor, so it costs you around 300 to 350 rupees. And the thing which it will do is it will like generate random colors when your tap will going to turn on. So it has some mini generator inside it, so when the water will flow from it, it will create some electricity, and on the basis of that it will turn the light on. So this one is with temperature sensor, so it should like create different lights on the basis of different temperature rating. So as you can see, if it is like I think less than 30 degrees Celsius, it will be blue, and if it is more than that and up to 60 something, it will be green, and if it is hot, it will show kind of pink light. And which is the cheaper version will not going to change the color on the basis of this. What it will do is it will just show the color randomly. So like if you have turn it on, it will start like rotating the lights with different colors. So this is like that, and I think it will just screw from here, and this mesh will going to be here only. So I was thinking that it should be somewhere here, but instead of that it needs to be attached here, so it will work as a Varsal as well, I think. And there is nothing like any other part which can be taken out. I have seen some reviews in Amazon where they are saying that it will be disassembled and we need to assemble it again and it is not working. But in my case it comes as a one piece, and this is like needs to attach like that. So let's go outside and see whether it will going to fit or not. I have just purchased a tap, and I think most of the tap has this kind of mechanism. So do mind that before purchasing it, whether your tap has that kind of adjustment or not. So guys, I'm back. So as you can see, I have attached this. So it turned out to be like that different taps have different mechanism for adding this. So as you can see, these kinds of tap, so if a tap doesn't have that kind of extension, it means that they have screw mechanism inside it, and that what this thing supports. And if you can see, the screw tightening mechanism is inside this tap. So I will just see here. So now I will just use it again like I was showing few minutes before. So what you need to do, attach it like this and start tightening this. It was showing showers there, but I think it will not going to like drain the water from these points, because it has a very good fit now. So now when I try to open this, so now you can see it's showing a blue light. So I will try to turn the geyser on and see whether it will change any color or not. Hi guys, so I'm back. So now water coming from this is should be really hot because if I like touching it, it's showing the hot temperature. So when I try to turn it on, and you can see it is showing red color now. So I was thinking that like it will be a constant light, but it is not, and you can see water is showing hot. So this is the indicator. I think it's doing a perfect job, and let's just try to mix the water and see what will be the result we have. So this is a cold water, but I think the whole pipe contains some hotness, so it is showing like that only. So now you can see it's showing green now because it started to like show cold. So now let's try to run it again. So as you can see, it's showing green because the temperature is not that cold, but it is still little bit warm. So that's why it's showing green. And earlier you have seen that because the whole water was like very cold, and at that time it was showing blue. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you get the understanding how this thing will work. And if you have any question regarding this, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.